In this video, I'll tell you how you can easily change alarm sound on your iPhone. Simply navigate to your settings application and scroll down until you find sound and haptics. Go there and scroll down and go to default alerts like this. And from here you can select any sound you want for your alarm. So that's how you can easily change alarm sound on your iPhone device. I'll tell you one more method by which you can easily change alarm sound. Simply navigate to your clock application like this, and from here select any alarm, and here you can see sound. Tap on sound, and from here you can select any sound you like. So that's how you can easily change alarm sound on your iPhone device. So that's it for this video. If this video helps, subscribe.